CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is Circle Internet stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Look, I am the only guy in the space that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented everything. I'm not even willing to exaggerate, but not that I'm willing to. It's just true. If it's all on my YouTube channel and I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With internet, Circle Internet Group, it's just I'm in a risk-free opportunity, which I'm chilling, you know, like which I'm chilling in, meaning that video that I made here absolutely called out. This is like a day ago, 15th of July, when the video was made. It was so good, you know what I mean? Like, it was freaking Beethoven move, and since then I've been just waiting. So best outcome, I mean, best and worst case scenario. Best case scenario hits my take profit, worst case hits break even, nothing in between. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, I want to stay tuned with Circle, click the first link in the description. It's free. It's absolutely free to get the sauce.